SuiPay just went live, and we're going to talk about what it is, why I think it's important, and then we'll go through the process of testing it out. Before I begin, please note, nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. Taking a look at their X profile, it says checkout with SuiPay Payments, now live. We scroll down, you can see here's a trailer video from yesterday. It says get paid in seconds. We're now live on Sui.
Are building the next generation of online payment processing. Meet SuiPay. We're building something big, not a plugin, not another closed system, but real infrastructure to allow users to accept payment from anyone, anywhere on the Sui network.
So that caught my eye yesterday, and then I saw this post today by Zach Pumps, who's a great follow. It says SuiPay goes live on Sui Network. This is huge for payment processing. SuiPay allows you to make your own checkout page where you can even link your bank account and even cash out with no centralized exchange. We scroll down a little bit, you can see this post. Adony responded. He's one of the co-founders of Miston Labs, a team behind Sui Network, saying paid. So he tested it out, it looks like. And so getting support from the core team behind Sui is a big deal. Let's take a look at their website. This is suipay.net. Accept Sui, receive USD in your bank account. Custom payment links, create and share payment links instantly. Perfect for invoices, donations, or one-time payments. This is where I think it's going to be huge, is with e-commerce integration. Connect your Shopify or WooCommerce stores and start accepting Sui payments with just a few clicks. WooCommerce is the top plugin for all WordPress sites, and then Shopify is the top e-commerce platform out there, so that's huge. Instant bank transfers, convert Sui to USD and withdraw to your bank account instantly, no waiting periods. Set up automatic conversions to USD or keep your payments in stablecoins, USDC. You're in full control. Let's take a look at their docs. SuiPay is building the foundation of payment infrastructure for Sui ecosystem. We focus on real-world use, full user control, and simple merchant setup in one clear product. Whether you run a Web3 project or a regular business, SuiPay lets you accept Sui easily with full control over how you hold or convert it. We're builders and merchants. Our team has worked across Web2 and Web3 with experience in e-commerce, wallet tools, and blockchain user experience. We believe real adoption comes from real transactions. That's why we're building tools that help everyday users use Sui while keeping full control and flexibility. SuiPay is our first step in making that real on Sui. And then what we're building first, this is the product that's currently live. SuiPay for Merchants is a non-custodial payment gateway that lets businesses accept Sui from anyone, anywhere. With SuiPay, merchants can accept Sui directly, choose how to store it, either self-custody, a managed wallet, or both, and then off-ramp to fiat automatically without using a centralized exchange. There are no middlemen, no extra fees. So this last part is big. You'll be able to off-ramp fiat without having to go through Coinbase or Binance or Kraken or any centralized exchange. There's no middlemen and no extra fees, just fast, simple payments built in one open system. Then why it matters, most crypto payment tools are either unfinished plugins or closed systems that go against the networks they're built on. We're not here to extract, we're here to give people the tools they need. SuiPay is built to be a real bridge between merchants and a new kind of money. It's not a test, it's a product built to be used. From day one, we offer flexible custody, off-ramps, and integration tooling. We're building for those who create, sell, and build, for anyone who's tired of waiting for approval to join the future of finance. So super interesting. Let's go to e-commerce, as I think this will be the first big use case for it. Your customers use Sui. SuiPay helps you accept it. You don't need to change how your store works. Just set prices in stablecoins and start accepting payments. Customers can pay in any token. I believe that would be any Sui ecosystem token. You get stable value straight to your bank. No price swings, no wallet trouble. So with a few clicks, you open your store to a fast-growing group of on-chain users. Use a pay link, drop it in a checkout page, or go custom with our API. So I agree with this. I think there's a huge market out there of crypto native people that would love to pay in Sui or USDC when buying things on Shopify or WooCommerce stores. And so SuiPay helps you plug into that market. You can see here are their integrations. Payment links are active. They're working on Shopify. WooCommerce says pending here, although I think this might be active. We'll test that out in a second. And then if we go to off-ramp, turn your crypto into cash fast. With SuiPay, you can off-ramp stablecoins straight to your bank account. Same day ACH transfers, no exchanges, no delays. SuiPay partners with Bridge XYZ, our trusted stablecoin infrastructure provider to deliver secure, compliant, and lightning fast settlements. Taking a quick look at Bridge, this is a Stripe company, fully integrated stablecoin platform for moving money globally. Here are some of the companies that use it, Shopify being one of them. If we go to stablecoins, SuiPay prices all items in stablecoins to keep your payouts stable and predictable. Customers can pay with any token. SuiPay swaps it into the right stablecoin amount. Whether you use self-custody, polar balance, or auto off-ramp, your payment stays smooth from start to finish. And then they have a bunch of information for developers that are looking to integrate it into any app or website. Here's the information about the WooCommerce integration. Again, WooCommerce is the top e-commerce plugin for WordPress. So it's as simple as just installing the SuiPay for WooCommerce plugin, activating it, generating an API key, which I'll show you in a second, and you're good to go. You can start accepting crypto payments on your WooCommerce site. So that's pretty big. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. We're going to click on login, and then you can start by either using an email or you can just log in with your Google account, which I'll do in this example. So it's that simple. It's going to have you go ahead and enter your business name. So we'll just say test business 1. You can change this, I believe, at any time, so I'll just say save. Okay, so test business 1 is set up. I can go ahead and create a payment link. This will generate a checkout page you can share with your customer. Let's just say 50 USDC. You can add a note in there if you want. And then destination wallet, you can choose Polar Balance, which would show up right here. This would be a managed wallet, or you can add a custom wallet. So if I wanted to use, for example, my Slush wallet, I would just click on receive, copy my address, paste it in, and that's where the payments would go to, and then say create payment link. But before I do that, I forgot to show you can also choose a bank account. So you just go ahead and add a bank account, and then you'll be able to select the bank account and go directly to that account. In this example, we'll just say custom address, and again, we'll paste in our Slush wallet address and say create payment link. So here's our checkout URL. If I go ahead and copy that, we now have a payment page set up that you could send to as an invoice to anyone, or if you're accepting donations, it's that simple. Send them that, they would connect their wallet and pay you in USDC on Sui. So that's one way you can use it. Transactions, this is where you'll see all the activity. So Polar Balance, this would be your managed wallet if you choose that option to get paid, and then you can withdraw at any time, enter the amount, paste in your Slush wallet address, whatever Sui compatible wallet you use, and you can withdraw it that way. Bank accounts, this is where you go ahead and add your bank account if you want to get paid directly to your bank account, or if you want to withdraw fiat to your bank account without using a centralized exchange, you can do it through this. Connections, you can see that they currently have the WooCommerce integration live, which is awesome. You would simply generate an API key. Developers, this is where you can go ahead and create an API key if you're building a custom app or website. And then settings, you can go ahead, you need to change your business name, you can do that. So off-ramp KYC, they do require KYC one time to set up your bank account. And then support, if you want to do email support, you could do this. They also have chat support over here, which is nice. So SuiPay is something I'm going to keep a close eye on. I'm thinking about using it for my personal website, which is a WordPress site, and I could use it for some projects that I have in mind to accept payment, as it integrates directly with WooCommerce. SuiPay is another product built on Sui that's bridging Web 2 and Web 3, and I think has a lot of potential. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.